Greetings! This tutorial will teach you how to create, save, open, close, and exit presentations using Impress. By the end of this module, you'll be able to create an empty presentation using Autopilot, understand how to use predefined presentation backgrounds, understand how to create a presentation from a presentation template, create a new presentation using the Autopilot, save a presentation, close a presentation, open a presentation, and exit Impress. To create a new file, just go to File, New, Presentation, or just press Ctrl N. After selecting New, you will see the presentation wizard window. From here, you will have three options. You can either open an existing presentation, or you can open an existing template, or you can open an empty presentation. We will go through this one at a time. First, let's choose the empty presentation. Just click Next. And you will arrive at this screen. From the drop-down menu, you can choose Presentation Backgrounds or Presentations. By choosing Presentation Backgrounds, you will have two designs to choose from. You can choose dark blue orange, which looks like this one, or subtle accents, which looks like this one. If we choose presentations on the other hand, we can have two designs as well. It's either introducing a product, which looks like this one, or a recommendation of a strategy, which looks like this one. After choosing whatever you want, just click Next. And you will arrive at the third step. This will allow you to select a slide transition and select a presentation type. Under the slide transition, you may choose an effect from the 57 effect transitions. For instance, you choose wipe down, it will use this effect. If you choose and cover left, it will use some of this effect. You can also select the speed of the transition to slow, medium, or fast. Under the presentation type, choose default if you want to manually advance the transitions, or you can choose automatic to automatically advance the transitions with a given duration of page or duration of pause between slides. For instance, we choose default transitions since we want to manually advance the transitions. Just click Create after it. After creating a new document, you may want to choose an auto layout from the right panel. You may have a layout with a title slide, or something with a title and a text, or something with a title and two text blocks, or something with a title and a chart, or something with a title, text, and clip art, or a title, text, and chart. It actually depends on your preference. For instance, we choose this one. It will look something like this. There. Just click here to add a text. Similarly, you may click here to add a text. Just double click on the icon to add an image. There. Microsoft PowerPoint, on the other hand, does not automatically allow you to select a presentation or an autopilot. Instead, you'd have to look for it from the menu. Here. Similarly, the designs and layouts also appear on the right side of the panel, just like in Impress. For instance, we choose this one, and it takes forever to load. Yes. There. Anyway, Microsoft applies Microsoft PowerPoint also has the same process in adding a title, a text, and a picture just like in Impress. Yes, that's about it. Now let's go back to Impress. In saving a presentation, you must save and assign a distinguishable name to every presentation that you create in Impress. If you don't name the file, you won't be able to open it and update it in the future. To save this file, for instance, just go to File and select Save or Control Save. But before we move on, how do you know if a document is saved or not? Just look at the top left corner of the screen and you will see the word Untitled. Well, of course, if it's worded Untitled, then it means that it's untitled. So, therefore, you must save it to have a title. The first time you save a presentation, Impress will prompt you to assign a name through the Save As operation, just like here. Then, just type the title and press Save. After saving it, you will automatically see at the top left of the screen. Now, if you want to create a new file with a different name with this same content, just go to File and select Save As. You will see this window. Just select the folder to which you want to save the picture. I mean the document. For instance, we want to entitle it LOL. Then just click Save. Now if you want to save the changes you've made from an existing presentation, just press Ctrl S, or for instance we change this one with just go to File and press and select Save, or just simply press Ctrl S. Now if you want to open an existing file, just go to File and select Open, or just press Ctrl O, or simply press the Open icon, just like so. From this window, in the Looking list, click the drive, folder, or internet address where the file you want to open is located. Since it's in my document right here, and then if you want to open this file, for instance, just double click on the file. There. Now this is the file that we just opened. You can also open a presentation using the autopilot. Just go to File, then select New and Presentation. From here, just select Open Existing Presentation. You may load this one, for instance. There. Now to close the document, just click on File and select Close. Choosing Close will allow you to save or discard the changes you have modified. To exit the presentation, just click on File and select Exit or press Ctrl Q.